Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of Odd Animal a Day. Today we're on to letter K, which in Odd Animal ABCs stands not for kangaroo or even kudu, which is another odd animal, but kiwi bird is what I'm going to show you how to draw today. So a kiwi bird, if you're not familiar with them already, are flightless birds that are native to New Zealand. They're approximately the size of a chicken, and they have these hair-like feathers that enable them to camouflage in their surroundings. And they also have long pointed beaks and stubby little legs. So let's get started. As always, grab your sheet of blank paper and a drawing utensil of your choice. Today we're going to turn our paper long ways, so I want the long end facing you. And we'll start on the left-hand side of the page. He's going to be facing this direction with the eye. So about middle of the page, halfway over to the left, just draw a simple dot. And then from there, we'll do our backwards C shape to finish the eye. He's got a really simple body shape. So for his head and his body, we're just gonna do two different ovals. The first one for his face, I'm going to start over here by the right side of his eye, and I'm gonna leave it partially open there to connect it with his body. But go ahead and draw it all the way around, almost connect it. We'll leave inch and a half of space here to connect it with his eye. From there, we'll do his body next. So from the place we left open here, I'm just gonna draw an even larger circle and connect that back up with his head. Next, we'll do his long beak. So I'm gonna start diagonal from his eye here and just draw a line out. It's about maybe 2.5 inches long. And then I'm gonna give that a little curve at the end. Take that back up to his face. It widens just a little bit where it connects. And then we'll draw the middle section here, just a straight line to meet at the top. Next, we'll do his wings. So I'm gonna do that rounded triangle shape. So starting with it open on this side, I'll take it up to a little point over here on the right. Same thing, take it down to the left. For the legs, I'm going to do two upside down triangles. So one slightly bigger right here, and then another one a little bit smaller because that's his leg back behind him. We'll do our two parallel lines straight down for his legs. And then take his feet, we'll do three lines straight out. I'm gonna connect two of them to the lines I did for his legs, and then put that longer one out in the middle. And then we'll connect them with a little curve over the top. Just like so. And then the best part of all, of course, adding a little bit of texture. Like I said, he has hair-like feathers. So I'm just gonna do some short little lines. Maybe you start on his wing. They don't really have tails, but you could add some texture, maybe going up the back side of him, some on the chest here, and I always like a little bit on his head for more personality. Thanks for joining today. I'll see you tomorrow.